Homeowners Association, HOAs. The majority of people I know hate HOAs, but it's number one, it costs you money. Every month there's dues that are owed to the HOA. In Los Angeles, I've seen it range anywhere from $250 all the way to $1,200 so far. That's a lot of money on top of your mortgage, on top of your taxes, on top of your insurance. Now, another reason why people hate HOAs is because they want to feel like it's your own home and you can do things to your own home, but there's rules and regulations preventing homeowners or condo owners to do what they really want to do. Why do some people like HOAs? Well, HOAs have reserves that if something major breaks, like your elevators or your roofs, or if your condo has a pool, that they have reserves to take care of that. Another reason why is because it does set some ground rules and some order. Now, I don't care which side of the political spectrum you're on, but let's say your neighbor is actually on the opposite side, and your neighbor is an extremist who's putting up all these signs in front of their doors, who's putting up all these decorations or anything like that, and you don't like it. All right. Well, your HOA could have rules against that. But if you didn't have an HOA, they can do whatever they want. And typically, HOAs are run by homeowners. So just like any business, remember that HOAs are run by people. And if you have a good person running your HOA, it should be no problem.